Hello. Are you running an LLP but looking for more credibility, better access to funding, and structured corporate governance? Converting your LLP into a private limited company could be the right move. At Filings Corner, we ensure a smooth and compliant transition so you can focus on scaling your business and unlocking new opportunities. Why convert an LLP into a private limited company? Here's why converting your LLP to a private limited company makes sense. Limited liability protection, like an LLP, but with a more defined and structured corporate framework. Better access to capital. Private limited companies can issue equity shares and attract investors more easily. Enhanced credibility. A structured corporate entity preferred by banks, investors, and venture capitalists. Perpetual succession. Your company continues to exist, even if directors or shareholders change. Growth and expansion. Easier to onboard investors, expand operations, and enter into contracts. Key requirements for conversion. Here's what you'll need to meet the requirements for converting your LLP to a private limited company. Minimum of 2 directors and shareholders. At least 1 director must be an Indian resident. Unique business name. Your business name must comply with MCA guidelines. Registered office address. Proof of your business location. Digital signature certificate, DSC, and director identification number, DIN, required for all directors. Memorandum and Articles of Association, MOA and AOA. These will define your company's governance structure. Documents required for conversion. To start the conversion, we'll need the following documents. For the LLP partners, now directors and shareholders, PAN card and Aadhaar card, passport size photographs, digital signature certificate, DSC, director identification number, DIN, for the LLP business, LLP agreement and incorporation certificate, latest LLP annual return, Form 8 and Form 11. Statement of assets and liabilities. Proof of business address, utility bill, rental agreement, or ownership proof. Income tax returns. Last 3 years, if applicable. For private limited company incorporation, MCA, name approval certificate, draft MOA and AOA, memorandum and articles of association. Knock from landlord, if using rented space. Board resolution. Approving the conversion, step-by-step process to convert LLP to private limited company. Here's the step-by-step process we'll follow to convert your LLP to a private limited company. 1. Obtain partners' approval. 2. Apply for DSC and DIN. 3. Reserve company name. 4. Prepare MOA and AOA. 5. Transfer business assets and liabilities. 6. Obtain certificate of incorporation. 7. Update bank accounts and inform stakeholders. Post-conversion compliance. After your conversion, there are a few compliance requirements to keep in mind. Annual MCA filings, tax filings and GST returns, board meetings and AGMs, statutory audit, maintain corporate records. Why choose Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we provide end-to-end support for converting your LLP to a private limited company. Expert consultation, complete documentation and filing, seamless transition, post-incorporation support, affordable and transparent pricing. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get expert assistance. Filings Corner, making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on business growth and legal solutions.